This technology sounds scary, it sounds like a lot, but it's also easy to get started. And I want to remind you how to get started. This is not the time where you start with technology first. Don't go out there and say, what can AI do for me? What this ends up happening is that you pivot a lot because there are many, many, many things AI can do. And you'll spend a lot of time trying few things and not really getting any of the successes you need. But you shouldn't start from a vertical first approach either. What can AI do for facility management? This will give you results, but just in the next few months to a year, you will end up spending the hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions again. What you really need to do is have a vision. What is it that you want to create? And the more daring, the more impossible they sound, the better. And what you will soon realize is that the right kind of technologies, the right AI, the right group comes to you. And these missions, these next-gen missions, and you can make it a moonshot, you can make it as big as you want it to be, they sound different. So don't hesitate to sound different. Ford wanted to build a horseless carriage. And to get a feeling for how crazy that must have sounded, I want you all to imagine an engine-less car. An engine-less car. And the same kind of disbelief, dismissal, and maybe excitement you feel is what the people then would have felt when Ford launched his automobile. Tesla, the scientist, not the car, wanted to capture lightning. And we have electricity that powers all our infrastructure that came from it. And the Wright brothers wanted to fly, which is how we have the aviation industry. So thinking big can open many, many doors, and it sets you up for the future, many years versus just the next quarter. So this era in AI is a transformational moment. And it's a transformational moment not just for your businesses and your personal lives, but for us as humans. So I want to encourage you to participate in it. And together we can shape the future, a future that we want.